The QX80 is Infiniti's flagship luxury SUV. It's our biggest, most opulent, most luxurious vehicle. And the Century trim level, which this one is for 2021, is the nicest trim level. So this pretty much has every available option you can get in 2021. There's not really much too else that this one has that you could have. We recently took this one in on trade. It's a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We took it in on trade for a brand new Infiniti. Some of our nicest premium vehicles coming on trade. This one's no exception. The Century is exactly in its name. It just tickles the senses with all its beautiful appointments and features. You know, the biggest thing I guess you'll notice about the Century is a different interior. This has a little bit nicer leather with a diamond stitching design on the seats. You have that on the doors. Beautiful perforated leather. We have an upgraded Bose sound system, so there's two sound systems available. The Century has the top of the line one. There are also features that you can't see, like a hydraulic body motion system, which is standard in the Century, which smooths out the ride on uneven pavement, or if you're taking corners, that system will help reduce body roll. The QX80 is a traditional body and frame SUV, full size, with a 2-speed transfer case. So even though it looks like it's in a tuxedo, this thing can do some pretty serious off-roading. This thing's probably got more willingness to go off-roading than you do. I probably wouldn't want to go rock crawling in this thing, but this thing, you know, if you do want to venture off the beaten path, it's very, very capable. Partly because of a great 4-wheel drive system with a 2-speed transfer case. We have heated and air-conditioned front seats. For 2021, this one has a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation, a parking camera. We have a 360-degree around view monitor. We also have a backup collision intervention, our parking sensors. The bottom screen is a tab-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. We also have a digital rearview mirror that turns into a video monitor, so you have an unobstructed view behind you. Obviously, the B and C pillars and headrests, visibility can be tough on these things, so all the time, whether you're driving, backing up, you have a complete unobstructed video signal, video camera of what's going on behind you. And if you don't like it, obviously you can easily switch it off just like that. We have a wooden leather wrap steering wheel that's power adjustable. It's also heated. This one has 37,000 miles at the time of making this video. We have a blind spot warning, blind spot intervention, forward collision warning. So we have a blind spot warning, blind spot intervention, lane departure warning, lane departure intervention, a distance control assist. We have adaptive cruise control. You have a whole suite of safety and driver's assistance features to make your life easier and pampered in this beautiful full-size luxury SUV. Second row captain chairs are optional. You can also get a split bench seat. The captain's chairs, though you can't sit as many people as a split bench seat, it's a little bit more luxurious. You have individually adjustable seats. You have this nice center console, lots of storage in it. Both seats in the second row are heated. We also have a rear entertainment system. Third row seats space is not too bad, and the third row seats are also power adjustable as well. It's a nice feature. Really nice color combination of white on black leather. With its rugged body and frame architecture and 400 horsepower, 5.6 liter V8, this is a great tow vehicle when properly equipped. You can tow right around 8,500 pounds. Underneath this plastic cover right there is a receiver hitch. Obviously you have a power rear liftgate, and you have controls here so you can power fold down those third row seats if you want. The QX80, even though it's big, it's very fun to drive. All that weight seems to disappear once you get this thing moving. And you have a very willing 5.6 liter V8 pumping out 400 horsepower for amazing acceleration. Also sounds really nice. Beautiful front end styling. It was facelifted in 2018, so the 21s pretty much look identical to the 2022s and 23s. They did make some changes for the infotainment system, but aside from that, the brand new ones are not a whole lot different than the 21. So if you're looking to save a little bit of money, this lovely low mileage 21 example is a great one to consider. Beautiful shape inside and out, 4-wheel drive, built and assembled in Japan. One awesome full-size luxury SUV.